You alright? You're tired, aren't you? You've had a big, huge day today. Okay? Good boy.
Yeah,
Thank
cute.
Joey. Good. Alright? Good boy. Good boy. Here, have you had enough today? I think you're tired, aren't you?
You see? Look, he's just like a little baby wants the cuddle from mom. You see?
Cuddle from his mum.
Yeah.
There you are. You come and get on the other side, Joey. Get on this side. Can you get there too? Can you get in there too?
Yeah.
Yep, there you are. Right, Ice. Good boy. How's that?
Ah, that's beautiful. Oh.
Nice. Prick your ears, mate. I think he's tired.
Big day. Big day.
He's had a big week, actually.
Oh, yeah.
Call him. Just... Ice. Not in pain.
Do you want to cuddle him?
You cuddle him.
Yeah. You sit down.
You
You
cuddle.
cuddle.
There you are.
I think it's my turn.
How's that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's nice.